Wake up, guys.
What is it?
We are going to the construction site.
That sounds nice. Wow, it's a machine. Look over there.
What is it?
It's an excavator that digs out the holes. May I operate?
Sure. Me, I can drive a dump truck. Are you scared to climb up the crane?
No, I'm not because I can do it myself. Okay, I can operate it.
Oh no, the crane is moving. I can hide because I have a fear of the machines moving.
Hello there.
No, 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 no. Help me. Help me.
How was the experience?
It was great.